And NASA is making history this weekend.
On Saturday, it's launching a spacecraft to the sun for the first time ever. The Parker Solar Probe will fly through the sun's atmosphere and send data back to scientists.
For more on what they expect to find, I talked to Yasmin Tayag from Inverse, who's probably just as excited about this mission as NASA is.
After 60 years of wondering what the surface of the sun is like, NASA has finally built a spacecraft to literally go and touch the sun, which seems insane, but it's going to get closer than we've ever been to the surface of the sun. And what we want to check out is the sun's corona, which is its atmosphere. It's super hot, but the corona is where the sun's solar winds come from, which is a thing that affects everything in space. It affects space weather, it affects our satellites, and we just want to understand it better. We want to know what it is, because it can, in fact, shape the rest of our interstellar travels from now on.
But it does sound a little dangerous. Are there any risks to this?
It's definitely dangerous for this poor little spacecraft that we're shooting toward the sun. But NASA has recently developed this super lightweight heat shield that's going to allow this spacecraft to withstand temperatures of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crazy. But it's also crazy that we've developed this.
And I don't think anyone's ever heard of a NASA mission happening on time. What happens if and when this gets delayed?
Well, judging by the recent delays of the James Webb Telescope, which was supposed to happen a few weeks ago but didn't, obviously, I don't think it'll be a surprise. This plan has been some 60 years in the making. If they delay it a couple more months, I think it'll be fine. I think because this is such an unprecedented project, and the spacecraft is so unique, and it's going to be the fastest thing humankind has ever created. We need to make sure that all of the kinks have been worked out so we don't lose our one shot at touching the sun.
I love how when I said, "Is this dangerous, girl?" she's like, I'd be scared.
I'm scared.
I'm not the one.
I'm scared being so far from it already. This fragile skin of mine.
Here you go. If you want to know more about NASA's mission to the sun, or maybe catch up on the latest innovation news, Inverse has you covered. You can find them online at inverse.com.